So there it is, the Whirlpool Aqualine. Quite a nice machine to use actually. It's run a little bit different to what I expected. So you'll see some videos of that coming in the next few weeks and months. So until then, see you soon. And finally, in the detergent drawer, we have our push down, push to release tab thing to get the drawer out. Softener, main wash, pre-wash, and as you can see there, we've got built-in liquid dispensers, so it can be used for powder or liquid. And then we've got the softener insert there. Down at the door, simple 5 kilo load and the classic, probably late 80s, early 90s Whirlpool drum. Nice drum that, I must admit. Door seal's a bit stiff and scaly and there's a tiny little hole in it there, so it needs replacing, but it's been working fine so far. It is dirty, I haven't bothered to clean it because I'm lazy. And on the right, push out, push in knob with all the programs around the outside there. Stick that back on stop. In the middle, we have our mains on off, rinse hold, extra rinse, and 1500 spin options. So up on the detergent drawer, we've got the program guide. Program 1 has a pre-wash included, 2 is a standard 95, cotton 60 or synthetic 60, because you can have a 2.5 kilo load or 500 spin. There's no manuals on this machine to confirm things like that, but it ran okay with a 60 and ran a standard cycle of cottons, so there we go. Synthetic-y, cottony 50, same sort of rules again, can select 500 spin. Cotton 40, A is fast spin, C, bear with me, sorry, A is rinse, C is 1000 spin. 6 is like a synthetic 40 with a pre-wash. That's without pre-wash. That's like a 30-degree delicate quick wash thing. Wool wash, delicate, hang on, where are we? B is delicate rinse, woolen rinse, and D is synthetic spin. Sorry, B is woolen spin, or rinse and spin potentially. I haven't actually been paying that much attention to it. Hello, welcome to the channel and to this Whirlpool Aqualine. Model is AWM1860. Picked this up about an hour from me, 20 quid. I thought I've got to try one because they're getting thin on the ground. And here it is. It's a fairly basic 1000 spin model. I'll take you around it.